What did you chop?
You what? I'll not chop my own in the morning. I'll go buy a sandwich.
Hey, you say you don't know money.
Sandwich here, five euro.
But you add up. Yesterday, the other time, you say you go. But you go to the restaurant.
€5.
I the rest of. Charlie, I don't want to do. I not say it's very late. It'd be like 7:23 p.m. It'll be dark for outside. What I don't want to do already, yeah, like. So today I don't want to try CC Awofi. You see the YouTube video where I watch.
I was speaking proper English.
Charlie.
Content for people.
Okay. You see the YouTube video that I watched. The one with the one that.
See how it's difficult for you.
It's difficult for me, Charlie. Yeah. Anyway.
Try and speak English. No Pidgin.
But you try, you know, say the video like the other this or you naturally you make okay with the English.
You have to speak the English.
Okay. Right now I'll be speaking English, proper English. But I know the flow. Okay. See how this. Okay. You remember? Why you won't give me something?
A lot of people will watch the content. If you speak Pidgin, they won't understand. That's what I'm saying. Like you can speak the Pidgin, but you can feel fast by inside.
Okay. So, you know the car we bought. Well, I say we. The car I bought, the G30. You know, get CarPlay. It doesn't have CarPlay. Charlie, this is very difficult.
So he bought
Okay, no, don't do me out.
5 Series.
Okay, we bought 5 Series. I bought 5 Series, 2018 model, right? And it doesn't come with CarPlay. And the CarPlay right now is very necessary. You know, the maps and all that, so that you can see where you're going. You know, the native map that comes with the car right now, it's so archaic. Oh, it's very old. I can't even choose the address I'm supposed to go to. You get me? So I watched a YouTube video. Anyway. And there's a guy that
Speak your Pidgin. You are suffering.
there's a guy that was able to install the CarPlay on the OEM head unit. So like it's an installation on top of the car own like software or whatever. So I've seen a video of how he did it, and it's just basically getting a code from him. And I was like, okay, let me just contact this guy and see if I can do it myself. So I need an antenna and I need an Ethernet cable to connect my laptop to the car's OBD port. Now, I've ordered those things and they literally came in today. So right now, I know I'm supposed to wait. I feel like I'm supposed to wait so that during daytime I can do it. But
He's not listening to me.
I want to do it tonight.
I told him to wait for morning.
So right now, I need to quickly watch the video again and see how the guy did it. Just to take notes. Do you get me? Just to take notes so that I know that I'm not doing anything. Do you get me? So let me just go back to the video. So like on YouTube, I go to YouTube. Let me see if I can get this part as well. So like when I go to, so when I go to YouTube and then let's say I want to search, I think it's my history in the watch videos. What's this? The wrong account. Okay. G30 CarPlay activation. So this guy.
Hey guys, how we doing? So today we are in a BMW 5 Series G30. This is a 2019 model.
I'm just going to skip to.
Imagine being able to build an app with your name on it just by thinking.
My yours is 2018.
Base 44.
Yeah, but the one he did is also 2018.
So 2019.
No, but the same like
Okay.
the system. The iDrive is the same. Like you have iDrive 5, iDrive 6. So this is the part right now. So he's already connected his laptop to the car, and he's already done activation. But this is the part that I'm wary of. So you see,
so we're going to do the installation now for the Wi-Fi antenna. Because if we try to connect that for CarPlay now, it's just going to say unable to connect because it doesn't have an antenna.
Really well. So that really what I bought the antenna and all
There
this.
are loads of videos online on the G30 showing you have to take
This is a tricky bit.
off, unscrew the T20 on that side, take this off, unplug that. You don't need to do that. I've been doing this for many years and I have found a much easier method to install this Wi-Fi antenna. Java, good one, not a cheap one, but that would great.
So I ordered all this from Amazon. You see. So that's what I want to do like today.
There's a little bit of a bigger gap, so you think I can go underneath.
Did you see? He just literally put it under the start button and then he pried it off. And then
The next thing you want to do with the same tool, you want to get the tool, come in, there you go.
that's one side.
Start to come up a little bit, we'll do the same thing on this
And
side.
then the other side. You get me? So once he does just these two things and then he pulls it out, that's all.
So you can see,
That's all, Charlie.
and then, although you can see this, where my finger is here, tapping the hook, and we need to
You get me? So this one I don't really need like daytime or whatever. I can do it now. And then
see that. Turn this.
that's the
He's doing it during the daytime.
Left hand to my hand.
answer.
Bring the phone closer so you can see.
Do you have that too?
No, it's just
Oh,
so
just
instead
screw it,
of
normal
screwdriver,
screw,
you
okay,
get
okay.
you get mechanized whatever, like a top one. Yeah, you see. So I just need to put in the antenna there.
So I've just plugged that in, see that green connector there, with the clip side facing down.
That'd be all.
Now, what you want to do with the antenna, some people like to stick it. I like to just stick it, but, so it's nice and
That'd be all.
throw it back on the.
So you just put everything back. So I got the email from him, right? And let me see if I have my inbox here. And this is him, Saad Ali. And then he said thank you, and then this is chassis and the code that's given and all that. He said it's tied to my car. So by the time I would have posted this video, I've already used this. It's not like no other person that has this car to use. Anyway, so when I look at the instructions, he gives like straightforward, like he said, you have to please ensure you follow instructions carefully. If you don't follow these instructions, you may cause irreversible damage to your vehicle. Really well. So whatever he says, I will follow up. It'll be straightforward, very straightforward.
Okay.
But you the fear say go.
No, I'm not scared that anything will happen. Maybe you've been doing your own moderation.
So this be the Amazon. This be the prying tool, the things I will take come out there. This be the Ethernet to
Connect
OBD.
the PC.
Yeah, it's connected to the PC. So originally my laptop is like Type C. So it's Type C and USB. I don't have a native Ethernet port. That's why I was asking for the home. But I eventually got it. So this is the Ethernet OBD port. And then I have the prying tool. This is the Wi-Fi antenna.
Okay.
I already sent him screenshots to confirm that like this is the one to buy or whatever. And
What
he said
did he
okay. He said okay. Initially I had some other OBD this and he told me no, don't get that one. He asked me to get this. And then I have this small tool set. Ever since we give Kojo back the box, I don't really get
we
it.
don't have a
Yeah.
screwdriver.
So you get all the talks. So like me, I go hand pen and rather than using a propelled whatever. So based on this, I think so. This is what I will use for the Ethernet the hub. So right now, if you go inside the car, you're going into the car.
All the best.
But what I want to do is I want to fix the antenna first before I do the software.
Why? Why don't you do the software first?
Oh, Abi, from the video, he did the software first, and then he connected the antenna. So you reckon I should do the software first?
I think you should do the software first to see if even the Ethernet cable and everything is working.
Before you go all the way
to yeah. Just try that one first.
All right.
My opinion though,
Yeah, I'll do that first.
you can send it to the car, the equipment.
Yeah, I'll send everything to the car. So that be what we try to do right now. Let's go to the car.
All the best.
Heading over to the car now. This is the car. And see if we can unlock it. Yeah. Okay. I need to start with I think I should start with the software first. And then do the antenna. I'm just gonna put my phone somewhere proper. And close that door. Not now. Let me connect the laptop first. Your phone got a flashlight. Yeah. Cute. Can close the front door. Which light? I know if you turn them off. It is so easy. I just connected the Ethernet cable. What'll be your hotspot name? the instructions, your man said, ensure you follow the instructions carefully. On your vehicle, delete your phone from device list. So right now, if I go my vehicle, I think it's rather here, get profiles. Manage mobile devices, calling to iPhone, and delete the device. Okay. Check, can you do me a favor? There's an instruction here saying on your phone, delete BMW on Bluetooth list. So try disconnect, delete, forget my Bluetooth list, G30 or whatever. No, it's 0.5x. Just touch 0.5. Yeah. So we have deleted the phone from the car, and then we've deleted the Bluetooth from my phone. Okay. Ensure you're connected to the internet. I'm connected now. And then download the installer link. I've already downloaded it. Connect your Ethernet cable from the laptop to the vehicle. I've already connected. Turn the vehicle on so the engine is running. The car is on. You know, I'm just gonna turn the car off. Turn it back on. And then open the feature installer program. So let me just open it now. Allow. Okay, I think I see the. Okay, I've opened that. Remote feature installer for BMW cars powered by certificate services. Searching for BMW. Found vehicle, and my VIN is showing up, right? Looks like this is looking good, man. What else? Your VIN should be automatically picked up. If not, yeah. So I found it. Once vehicle is found, press identify. This will load the vehicle's data. Identify. Enter the code you received from your dealer. Enter the code received on the email. I have the code here. I don't know if I can copy and paste. Let me just copy. Yep, feature code is valid. And continue. What sound is that? Can you hear some sound? No? Okay. Okay, so I don't know, it says it's ready to start. Let me go back to the instructions. Wait for vehicle info to load. Once start button is available, press start. You're nearly there, bro. wait for vehicle info to load. Once start button is available, press start. So I'm waiting for start. Okay, I've seen start. Click start. Okay. So it says it would go through 3 phases. So it's going through the phases. Phase 1 complete, running phase 2. This is cool, like check, like I'm hacking the car, like. And I seen the video on YouTube and I was seeing all this. I'm like, hang on a minute, what's he doing? Like, is he breaking the car or something? And he said, so after the 3 phases are complete, you may now exit the program, disconnect the Ethernet cable, press and hold the volume button on iDrive. Okay, so this, my God, actually this is confusing. What do you think is the volume button? He says press and hold the volume button on iDrive between 15 to 20 seconds. So maybe this is the power. That's the volume. If I want to increase volume normally, this is there. Yeah, I did. So it's finished. Phase 3 complete, right? And then he said, phase 3 is complete. You may exit the program now. Disconnect the cable. So this is exit, right? And then disconnect the cable, right? So I'm disconnecting the cable. That's disconnected. And then press and hold iDrive for 15 seconds. This is the volume button. If I want to increase volume, this is what I use, you know? Yeah, it's a button, so press and hold for 15 seconds. The screen will go blank, then release the button. This restarts the head unit. Okay. Okay. I release the button. You will now see CarPlay and Android screen available when you go to it. You go to add a new device. Okay, so the screen is back. So now you now see when you go to add a new device. So when I go to media and radio, okay, I see screen mirroring, but I don't see CarPlay. Oh, okay. It says when you add a new device. Okay. Look, we have CarPlay, CarPlay now, and then we have screen mirroring. So now, without installing the antenna, should we try, or should I just follow his video? Like, now that we've installed the CarPlay, let me just then plug in the antenna then. Like, do you want me to go ahead and try connecting that? Nah. Do you know what? I'll install this. I'll install the whatever. So I don't need the car to be on for this. I think I don't need the hotspot anymore as well. So I'm just gonna disconnect. I'll forget the network. Okay, so that's see now. feel like I left the antenna. Did I? Yeah. Left the antenna. Probably on the desk. No. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe did it open on its own? No, maybe I think the whole flashing we do when we make the car. Okay. I can't believe I didn't bring the antenna. I thought I brought it. My God. Okay, so your man said we should use one of these tools to pry up I think this should do it. Or you see how? Thanks. Okay. This is the tricky bit. So from the video, it was just a start board. Can I move this up? You see how, man? Charlie, this is yeah. I'm going to stop button. Oh, look. It went in, but couldn't come out. Yeah, okay. So that's loose, right? That's all that I need. And then bit. It comes like out like this, you know? But it can get in. Okay. Pretty straightforward. Okay. So now so these two like before buying more tools, so really wow. And the jack and things that you talk about. So these two, I don't know what size this will try T20. I do this thing before, and I've done this before, and then like the screw, you know, it fell inside. It fell inside, and you can't like retrieve it. Yeah, of course. Last thing I want is a screw. Yeah, T20. But that was very simple to remove, like, you know. So I understand what he was saying. Like a lot of people. No. Yeah. A lot of people would be like, they'll take that whole whatever. Always follow someone that has experience. Would you ever follow someone that doesn't have experience just because they said something so convincingly? Have you ever been in a position where you had to follow someone? Yeah. Yes, it's gone. It's gone. Yeah, probably. Or I'll like no, it's gone. Like to find it, like well, let's see. Maybe it should be just me the torch. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's horrible. Oh no, like the screw just fell into somewhere. Maybe. Yeah. That's installed now. Okay, so. It was in this one. This slot. So the color of it was this slot. So there was nothing there and I put it in. What are you thinking? Maybe I put it in the wrong. That's the only available, like. All right. Oh my god. So this guy here, that's the one we seen in the video. So if you want to bring the light over, there's this guy here. That's the Wi-Fi. So I want to install it this way, right? And then we need to find the screw. Wait, have a look. Yeah. My god. So you go off. But was it still recording? Right. Okay, so media. Try you and management of devices. Next device. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Voila. So.
It says the accessory, blah blah blah.
Yeah.
Does it say accessory?
Go to App Store and then let's see what does it say. No. It's just telling you that once you're connected, it's not telling you to use a DMW app setup as well. Ignore that. So go to how do you play your music? Like go to your normal anything that has sound, or if you have YouTube music, that's fine. If you have Waves, I like to see how it works. Yep. No, look for the Boss restaurant. Start. It doesn't look like it's. When I open Waves, oh right. Oh, you have Microsoft Teams on this. Microsoft Teams. You can make Teams calls on this. But the thing is, with the map, if you go back to the Waze map, let me just come out of Teams. If I go back to the Waze map, you see how the map is working. Normally, like if you have the OEM navigation like on and you're using that, like it comes over to this as well, but it doesn't. What? I don't think I don't know. Go to you have Apple Music. No? Okay. Yeah. Legend. But this pay me why shall I go drum? If they drive it here, crew. I'll buy it. I'll buy it tomorrow. I'll buy it tomorrow morning. Maybe I'll just leave it like that. Popping this open and I'll just leave it like that. Like, yeah, I knew it. Like, oh my god, this has what happened to me twice. So if anyone watches YouTube video and someone wants to buy this car, they'll be like, I've watched your video. You have a screw missing, yeah? I managed to remove it, yeah. Yeah, so that's it. The other thing is the screen mirroring. I don't know if that works. Let me see, screen mirroring. No. This is try this. Look for this. And
it disconnects with me.
Yeah. There's nothing. Oh, is this only for like Android phones? I have no idea about it. I was just thinking maybe you knew anything about it. So maybe it's only for the Android phones.
No. I think you can use the screen mirror on iPhone as well.
Manage mobile devices. You only have Kenneth.
Yeah, there we go. Screen mirroring.
Yeah, but like, I don't think it's not showing us. I think the screen mirroring is the way like an Android phone can connect to like that's their own CarPlay. Like, and iPhones will go with CarPlay, and then Android phones will go with screen mirror. So the only way to properly test is to use an Android phone. Is it? If I go back to Apple CarPlay, I don't have any. Okay. Let me go to CarPlay. Yeah, we are back. Yeah, so I think the screen mirroring is for Android device because from the email he said Apple CarPlay and Android screen mirroring, possibly. Yeah.
It shows that the Bluetooth is not connected.
Yeah, so like
connection. What connection is this one?
it's using Bluetooth, but like there's a native. Go back to your settings. Let me show you something real quick. Go to search. Scroll up. Just type in CarPlay. Yeah. Actually connected there. So it's a whole different. It leverages on Bluetooth, but like there's a native CarPlay. So like Android phones don't have this.
Oh, okay.
So their version is like but the name is quite counterintuitive. I want to see if does that mean if I use Android screen mirroring, does that mean I can whatever shows on my phone, like even if I'm watching YouTube videos and all that, will it show?
It should show, no? Because right now I'm watching YouTube.
If you go to the apps on the
It doesn't. I don't think it would. You see, it doesn't allow that.
you download an app or something.
No,
There's no app store.
no.
So these are the only apps that is allowed.
Yeah, but like you can go to the CarPlay and configure what apps needs to show up.
So I'm here.
Home screen icons.
Home screen icons.
See,
So where are you?
see, there's no YouTube. Yeah, but like, so that's CarPlay, right? Screen mirroring is a whole different like module, it's a whole different application system where I think if you use an Android phone and you connect through Android screen mirroring, by the naming convention, it feels like it means you're literally just mirroring your screen, such that if you're literally playing a YouTube video,
It will show on the screen though.
yeah. To test this, can you just go bring that Android phone or somewhere desk?
Use a charge.
Yeah, I'll try that tomorrow.
Let's charge it.
Do you have a type? There's a type C on my table.
You want to connect it?
Bring that phone. Let's try that. But like this is, yeah, I said this is a success. It's just annoying that what the screw? Put a knob. I'm a twat. Look again. Like what's going on? Like fucking hell. Ah. Look. Oh, he's gone. Okay, that explains it. Wait, that range is mad. Like he's gone, and he's still connected. I just wanted to validate the theory that if you're using an Android phone and you're going through the screen mirroring approach, those that allow you to mirror the screen, like mirror. Okay. Oh. Oh, you didn't bring that type C cable there. Yeah. No. Make no worry. The other one is just this. Yeah, but
I think you should charge it with power, like because it's very low.
very low. Okay, then I'll try this. Yeah, we'll try this. I'll try this tomorrow morning. Yeah. So right now, yeah, that'll be the end. That'll be the end. So right now we get the CarPlay, and I'm using my phone. How do you come back to this though? I'm trying to go back, but it doesn't. It is a homepage, but when I go to Media and Radio and I go to CarPlay, oh look, look at that. Okay, go back to. Is your song playing anymore? Look. Yeah, this is dodgy. Okay, so that's how it's supposed to work. Okay. No, that's it. So that's the end of this. Whatever. We managed to get the CarPlay set up. We had managed to install the antenna. It was pretty straightforward. Don't tell anyone. I'll get a screw. I'll get that screw back. Yeah. I've bought some other things for the car though. I have some modifications like that. I have carbon fiber trim for here, and for now, that's coming maybe next week. And we'll try. I'll try install that. And yeah, that's basically it. But this is very handy. Now you can actually like the map and things. No, yeah, that'd be cool because next week I won't go cook.
So do you want to install some Spotify? Do you have Spotify already on your phone?
No. I'll be using YouTube Music when I connect my phone. The apps that I have that are compatible with show and YouTube Music is bad, so I'm okay with that. Okay, but the thing is about YouTube Music is if I'm using YouTube Music, YouTube Music can actually watch videos in it. So I don't know if I use YouTube Music app and then I switch the video with the show. Anyway, that's all for today. Yeah, let's go home.